Namaste, namaskar everybody. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a happy-go-lucky day and life. So this is a 4K video walking through downtown Medellin in this area of El Hueco, where you have the cheapest first copy or, you know, pirated clothing and accessories. So enjoy all of this while I give you some explanations of stuff. All of this is not original. These are not original things. Maybe those things are because they're handcrafted, but the clothing in general is not. So you got all kinds of stuff, watches that are not original watches, you got these purses and everything, and then you got that loud music blasting over there, but it doesn't matter. I don't want to redo. And that's the Christmas music. And at the end of this video, I'm going to leave a recommended playlist of Christmas lights, public Christmas lighting here in Antioquia, Medellin, Envigado, videos I've made in the past. Look at these things. You can buy some of these things to take home as souvenirs, like Medellin, like little representations, smaller ones, and all of that. ¿Cómo las tiene? Pues así como para precios para saber.
Sale 22, sale 40, 48.
$5, $10.
30,000.
Like about $7 or $8. Muchas gracias. Son cosas que estoy haciendo para un video aquí en inglés para promover el negocio y para que la gente sepa cuánto vale. Gracias. And those are representations of typical Colombian, Antioquia stuff. Centro Comercial Palacio Nacional. That's the National Palace, but it's a shopping center now. Got to be careful here with the crossing. Don't want to be a problem with vehicles. So it's just going to be an 8-minute video because with the 4K, without any editing, I can do in just 8 minutes and it won't be a problem. And this is the pedestrian street, except that part that you gotta cross. This is called Carabobo. Carabobo. And these are public space people that they're making sure that the public space is well maintained and no illegal vendors. I don't know if all of these vendors have a license. So this used to be a government building back in the day, but they converted it into a shopping center, a small little thing with shops inside. Look at this stuff here. Let's just take a quick look. Wow, look at that with the flowers. And they got all kinds of shops in here and everything, and maybe some things that are probably more original, shoes and all that. Wow, that would have been a good selfie right there. I mean, for the thumbnail. But anyhow, I don't have much time and I got to get out of here and go do my other thing, so we're gonna walk a little faster. Got restaurants. These people are not pushy in terms of trying to sell you stuff, so you can come here and walk and explore yourself for a little while. I want to show you a little more with the 4K Scooby-Doo. Where are you? There we go. And Shaggy. Let me just get a firm grip on this. And I love this street. This is showing you like the real downtown, because this right here will be with like all these little stands with all of this, you know, fake, not original clothing, hats. If you want to take a hat back, this is indicative of La Costa, the Colombian coast, the Caribbean coast, and all of that. And perfume shops, but they're not original perfume or cologne. And look at all this for women, the athletic type, relaxed wear. And then these people here come, usually a lot of people here to buy chuzos, like chicken kebabs and pork. Now I'm gonna go through this. It's like a little maze. Wow, which way? Uh-oh. Panties and all of that. Victoria's Secret, somebody's secret. Calvin Klein, don't want nobody's name on my behind. So do you like this? Remember, I'm gonna leave a playlist in case you want to come for December and enjoy the December time. All of December is a festive time. People are even happier than normal. Paisas, Antioqueños are very happy in general, but even more so in December with all the Christmas lights and the towns like Rio Negro, La Ceja, All of these are knockoffs. These are not originals. So I'm moving towards, I got about 3 minutes left. Yeah, 3 minutes. This is the month of September. So I don't normally do any videos in 4K because it just takes too much time. And I don't have the patience for that. It's just very time consuming. So I normally do it in 1080p like everybody else does. But today's video is brought to you by 4K Eddie. Eddie 4K. Look at that. One pair of adults shoe sneakers for 65,000 pesos. That's about 15 bucks. Something like that. Yeah, or $13. Look, they sell tents here and everything. And they got the famous Hueco shop over here. This is all downtown Medellin, El Hueco. Whatever you need in general, you will find it here for very, very cheap prices, but the quality won't be that good. If you really want high quality things, you have to really go to the original shops. Look at this, hammers, tools, all of that for working at home. Coat hangers. This you can buy here much cheaper than whatever. Then you got these things. We just passed the entrance to El Hueco, but I'm not going to go into El Hueco because you can't film inside El Hueco, the shopping center. This whole area is called El Hueco. That's the unofficial name, or whatever official name, El Hueco. Here are some foreigners just enjoying whatever they want. So you got this street. Let's go up this street, show a little more. And this place is super busy come early December all the way up to the 22nd, 23rd. People coming to buy Christmas presents for their family and everything. Uh-oh, we're about it. Got a minute left. So I'm gonna move it quickly and see what else I can show you, and maybe take another thumbnail photo. And there goes the tower for the Palacio Nacional. And it's super safe down here. It is really super safe during the daytime. But if you come here at night, after all of this is gone, then you're gonna be in some doo-doo brown problems. But during the daytime, this area is super safe in general. But don't take my word for it, because you can have your phone snatched out of your hand or your camera. And I'm gonna get some avocados in a little while. They're pretty cheap before I get onto the metro. Well, I'm not gonna have time to show you more. That's it for now. I hope you liked it. Have a happy-go-lucky day in life. And until next time, remember the video playlist.